Hey y'all, I'm Melissa, and today what we're going to do is we are going to play with the new Colourpop foundation. So I haven't played with this yet, I haven't swatched it, I haven't done anything. I just got it out of the box and we're going to put this on my face and see how it does, see what we think about it. So if you want to see what I think about it, just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to take off my glasses. I already did my skincare, got my sunscreen on. I did my brows, and I also did my eye makeup. That way we have time to talk about this a little bit more. So I used the California Love palette by Colourpop. I'm going to use that for my eyes. Alright, and first what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on a little bit of primer. I'm going to put on the Pretty Fresh primer. Alright, got that soaked in a little bit. I'm going to start putting on the Pretty Fresh Colourpop foundation. And I'm going to use a elf sponge. This is the one that came in the Retro Paradise little collection. So I'm going to use that just to blend everything out. Going on really good. Got to take a closer look at it to see what's going on. It looks really good. I'd say it's medium coverage. I don't know, it might be like a hair darker than I am, but my neck's white and then my chest is redder, so it's kind of hard to, you know, you either do your neck or your chest, but I'd always try to bronze this up so it should work. Alright, covered up my blemishes pretty good, took away the redness. I'm impressed so far. Alright, I don't know what I said. My cat decided to rub up against my camera stand, so my tripod. So I don't know what I said. She kind of moved it to where it was like way over here. So I was saying that I think it's about a medium coverage. Right now it's a little dark on me, but we can make it work. It covered up my blemishes, my redness. I think it looks really good so far, but we're going to go into concealer now. I'm going to take that same sponge and blend it out. I'm going to take a little powder, just set it down a little bit. I'm going to just set under my eyes real quick. I'm using that same Maybelline Fit Me powder, the pressed powder. And it's in translucent. It's translucent. Now I'm going into the Going Coconuts bronzer, and what shade is this? It doesn't say. Well, anyways, this is the lighter one. I'm taking that e.l.f. brush from the collection, the retro collection. I like it because I can kind of press up. I like it because it's flat and you can just kind of press up so that you're not, I have trouble about going too far down sometimes. So this kind of helps me with the placement, like putting this right up under my cheekbones and going up. So all right, now I'm gonna go under the chin. And then go down the neck so we can make everything match. I'm also going behind the ear, that way it's just not cut off right here at my jawline if my hair goes back. Okay, and I'm taking my Sigma blush brush, and I'm gonna take the Interstellar Pressed Powder Blush by Colourpop. This is what came in the little collection that was at Ulta over Coronageddon. I'm going over the nose because I like to look sunburnt. Like I actually been out in the sun, definitely sunburnt. Now I'm taking the Colourpop Smoke and Whistles Super Shock highlighter, and I'm going to take the Colourpop F5 brush and just put that on the high points of my cheeks. Alright, now I'm all glowy. I'm just going to blend everything out with my powder brush. And I'm going to hop off here real quick, finish doing my eyes and mascara, and then I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm going to throw on lip. I'm just going to put on just the tint in, what color is it? Like Rise and Shine. I'm just going to throw this on real quick. Alright, and now I'm going to set it real quick with a pretty fresh hyaluronic acid setting spray. And take my handy fan and just pat that down to melt everything together. Oh, this feels so good. Alright, so Colourpop foundation. What do we think about it? It looks beautiful. Like I said, it's medium coverage. It's not dewy. It's just kind of, it's not matte. It's just kind of right in the middle. I think they knocked it out of the park with this. I think that it's going to work for a lot of people just because it is kind of that middle of the road. You can use it dry or you can use it if you're oily. So I think that they really did a great job on this. And they also have quite a bit of range of shades as well. I know it was like 42, I think. They had like 29 or something like that at Ulta, but they have 42 on the website, which they just started selling on the website yesterday. I think that it paired with all my Colourpop products pretty good as well, so I think they did a really great job on this. I'm super excited to keep wearing this, keep trying it out, and hopefully it'll be in my face. We'll see. Oh, and also the packaging, it's like the primer, it's like a plastic package with a pump on it, which I've already gotten messy, and just a plastic little cap or acrylic cap. I'm not sure exactly what it is. So I think the packaging is real good too. Would be good for travel. That is if we're ever going to get to travel. But anyways, I think that's all that I got to say about the foundation. I really like it. I'm really enjoying it. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, I would greatly appreciate you to subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I try to upload at least twice a week, but a lot of times I upload more than that. So I greatly appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I guess I'll talk to you later. Bye, y'all.